Hey, I'm finally unboxing my smart glasses. Good, it's been like 4 months, girl. Oh, hush, come on, let's go. All right, well, you waiting for me to talk, or do you want me to be quiet? That's like the on-off button. You see the lenses? I don't know. I'm figuring it out as I go. Speakers. It's so cool. Like touchpads on the side. Got your little indicator over here to let you know what's going on. And the off-on button. Boop. Love it. Handy dandy charging case. Fit in there snugly. You see the Bluetooth light is on. Make sure everything gets connected. Yeah. And you can't forget to download the app. Of course, you can see here everything that it's going to allow you to do. So make sure I'm getting the app, and then it's going to open up this whole new world. Look at it. Look at it. Bop, bop, dance it, bop. Get it, get it. Ooh, ooh. These are my glasses. Okay, anyways. These are pretty cool. All the features that they have, what it can do using the different Bluetooth features to listen to music. Like I said, off-on button is telling you how to capture, how to record video, how to go about all these different settings. And I find it really cool, really seamless to use. As I was navigating this process at this moment, using that slide bar and the touchpad, everything was pretty awesome. I'm really going to enjoy these. Wonder if people are looking at me crazy like, why is she dancing? Where's the song? Well, I do that anyway, but whatever. I think this Meta AI feature is going to be really cool in order to just look at things when I'm wearing them, especially if it's on a vacation or somewhere being a tourist. I think that's going to be great. I'm really loving all the features of this app and how I can explore all these different settings. Look, this is the view. Nice camera. Hey, boo. I really like how you can just see everything from my perspective. Now, it's going to take some getting used to because, of course, wherever my head goes, wherever I look, that's what you're going to see. I really like the way they look on, how they fit my face, and I got transitions. Check it out.
I had to get transition lenses because, listen, me and the sun, but I wanted to wear them when I'm inside without being like, ooh, why she got on sunglasses? Oh, look. All right, I want to see how long it takes, but I'll come back and show you after they're fully transitioned. Now, let's go back inside. So you see? They're coming back.
Overall, I'm loving these so far, and I will definitely come back and update you soon.